Welcome to this online tutorial for the National Product Catalogue Search for Prices. The recipient GUI of the National Product Catalogue has a rich suite of search tools to use to enable you to quickly and precisely return only those prices you're interested in right now. Let's log in and go and find them. I'll click on the price list here and bring up the price search screen. Here are the search tools on the left of the price list screen. We've got an advanced search, which is very rich and allows you to select many of the price attributes to search on. I'm choosing Change Dat here just by way of example, and for each attribute you'll get a number of appropriate operators to apply. We have a price detail search where you can search by GTIN or GLN, many other attributes, the price confirmation statuses, and you can choose whether or not to include discontinued prices and child prices, and you can save those. So first of all, we're going to say show me all prices that are current for this supplier. So we'll put the supplier GLN in there. We'll also go into the advanced search and say prices with an end date greater than or equal to today. So this will return future end dated or non-end dated prices for this supplier. So that's returned two prices for us, and we can see that they are future end dated prices for this supplier. Okay, so I'll reset the search criteria and we'll do another search just on a different supplier GLN, and we won't specify anything about end dates. We'll just search for prices from this supplier, and we've got 23 of them. We can see these prices, none of them have an end date. The ones we're displaying, the first 10. So I'll clear that search criteria, and this time I want to say show me all prices updated in the last 3 months. So I go into advanced search, say change dat, and choose the greater than or equal to operator, and I choose a date 3 months prior to today, and I apply that search so it appears here, and press my search button, and I've got 3 prices that have changed in the last 3 months. Let's reset those. This time I want to say show me all end dated prices. So in price advanced search I'll say the end date time is not empty. So we've got 11 prices that are end dated, some of which will be historic and some of which will be future. Let's see how many of these are historic using our search. I'll just sort on those first so we can have a look. We can see of those 11, 9 are historic. But let's use a search to bear that out. I'll go back into the advanced search, and this time I'll say end date time is less than or equal to today. So I'm asking for historically end dated prices. So as we saw, 9 of those 11 are historically end dated. So conversely, let's have a look at the future end dated prices. So I need to change end date time is greater or equal to today. And I need to add that end date time is not empty. So this should return our 2 future end dated prices. And there they are there. Now simply show me all prices with no end date. So back into advanced search, change the end date time to equals empty. And we get the 51 prices that have no end date. Search criteria, this time we'll have a look at show me all prices that are under review. So they have a review confirmation status. These are prices that you may not have agreed with and you've set them to review status for the supplier to update. I've got 11 of those. And we'll just clear our search criteria search and just bring up all 62 prices that we have in the system. Just selecting one of them, I can then look at some summary information about that price. We won't go into the details of the record in this tutorial. So, time to log out. And just before finishing our tutorial, just a note about time zones and how these affect your search results. In summary, you will return results based on where you are. For example, if an update was made at 2 p.m. on the Tuesday, but where you are is 2 hours behind, and for you it's only 12 midday, you won't see the results until it's past 2 p.m. where you are. So keep that in mind if you have suppliers in time zones other than your own. Thanks for watching the National Product Catalogue Search for Prices online tutorial.